Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have what I made from the bargain bead box for March 2022, The Sky's the Limit. I really loved this box. I was able to make 4 necklace and earring sets along with a memory wire bracelet. So let's start with the memory wire bracelet. Let me make sure that the lighting is good here. Okay, it looks like it is. Okay. So this is the bracelet, and I actually used up the rest of my beads. That's what I did. And I added this month to some of them. I added a little bit of pink. I always have to add that third color. So I had these pink metallic check seed beads and 11 O's. So I had those, and then I had some of these, the light blue ones. So these are all, and then I did add some of these little spacer separators, some of my rhinestones. So here's the little clouds, they're so cute. And then I added this from one of my other boxes. So I love the way this one turned out. I will put it on. Let me see here. So yeah, so this is how this one turned out. Absolutely love it. I think it turned out so pretty. So I have this. Then okay. Now this next one, I'm going to start by showing you on these busts. I bought these busts because I'm going to be doing a craft fair this week, next weekend, shall I say. So let me flip this up so it lays down flat. So this is the first one that I made, and I'll take it off the bust too to show you. So here's the little birdies, and then I took these 2 links and I added them on and just kind of made a little, a little decoration right up front there. And then here's the thing. So let me lay this flat. So I've got, so it's this. It's rolling here. So it's this. And then I have earrings, little birdie in there. Now some of them I used, of these sets I used copper, and used copper ear wires and everything, and other ones I used antique brass. So this is number 1. I love the way this turned out. Let me lay this here. I have so much stuff for this craft fair next weekend. I hope people show up, because if not, I'm in really big trouble. Okay, and now the second one. This one turned out really cool too. This is my second one. Just kind of showing you the. So I took some of these loops and I attached them and put a little triangle there, and then I made these little beaded things there, and then there's the earrings, and I added some of my own antique brass stash, and another one with this one's got a lobster claw. So I'll lay this down. So this one's laid down. I like to show them on the bus because, you know, I have all these things dangling, so they don't lay right when they're dangling like this. So there's that, and then there's the earrings. Let me fix these. So these are the earrings. I love the way these turned out. So we have this one right here. That one just turned out so cute. So I have that. Let me get my third one out. And I used this wire, it was a bronze color. I think I used it for all four, I'm not sure. But I really like this wire because, you know, the color is really pretty. So if any of it shows through, you know, you've got, it's okay. Okay, and now the third one here is this. I'm just kind of zooming it in like that. So I have did a half, oh, and I put little birdies dangling from that. I thought they were so cute. So I had little birdies, so I have this. This was so pretty. So I did this right here. And then I have the earrings right there. So I just kind of used these to kind of connect them like that. Oh, that's the earring. Then I had these little hematite spacers. I bought these probably about a year ago, and I have gotten so much use out of those. I don't remember where I got them, unfortunately. And then this is this. So I love the way this turned out. Okay. And then we got number 4. I literally am out of room here in my bead room trying to get ready for this this craft market next week. If any of you guys live in Florida near Sarasota, I'm going to be at UTC Mall next Saturday. I think it's the 19th from 10 to 6, so I'll be at the craft fair, the big one there. So stop on by and say hi. So here is the 4th one then. This was just absolutely stunning. And I used one of the bead caps. I just put it in front to kind of hide that. Then I had this really cool bronze wire that I just kind of made a little wire wrap out of. And then I did this. So let me get this off. So I have this, and then these are from Dollar Bead Box. So I have this. Love the way this turned out. And then I have these earrings. So, yeah, so I think everything just turned out beautiful. I was really happy with this set. I loved the copper. I like copper and antique brass from them. I don't mind the antique silver either, but I just love antique copper and antique brass because it really doesn't fade. So we don't have to worry about it turning a color. So like if I make something to sell it, you know, you put all that hard work into making it and selling it, and somebody can enjoy it for years and years, and you don't have to worry about that. So thank you for tuning into my channel today. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it. And also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And please share my videos with any of your friends that you think might be interested. And let me know in the comments how you liked this month's box if you get it, and what you thought of the pieces I made and what you made from the box. Also, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links are below, so just click on them to take you there. I also have my Etsy store link if you would like to follow me there, so just click on that. So thanks again, everybody, and see you soon on my next video, and have a great day.